Hello everybody, my name is Dasha and today I'm going to talk about how to use a laser machine and what programs do you need to use it. So, what programs do we need? First of all, we will need CorelDRAW, the program we will import our image in and then export it from it. Second of all, we will need RDWorks, the program we will import our image from CorelDRAW and print our image on a laser machine. Also, before we start, I wanted to say that I am using a laser machine Wattsan model 1290. There will be some differences if you're using a different laser machine, but I think it's not that critical. Before we start the tutorial, I'm going to tell you the safety precautions when working with the laser machine. First of all, you will need an adult view. When I was working with the laser machine, I had a teacher near me. Second, it is forbidden to leave the machine on without anyone near. Third, it is forbidden to direct the emitter at living beings even if it is de-energized. It is forbidden to use the machine with open access to electronics emitter lenses. If extraneous noise is detected, stop working and de-energize the equipment. Do not store flammable substances near the equipment. It is not allowed to work with reflected metals as well as materials that are sensitive to high temperature and emit toxic substances. Ensure a CO2 fire extinguisher. Do not use powder fire extinguishers as they can damage the laser parts. So first of all, we're going to import our picture into CorelDRAW. It needs to be vector picture. It can be used from the internet, it can be made in CorelDRAW, it can be drawn on any program as long as it's vector. So next we choose the size of our picture and then we trace bitmap. Do as I do on the screen. Also, you can resize the picture that we just made in the input field on the top left corner. So now let's export our file. I'm going to name it project. I already have a file with this name, but that file is not that important, so I'm going to change it to my new file. Now let's import our file into RDWorks. I'm going to put it into the top left corner, and in this video I'm not going to talk about different colors because we're making a simple trinket. Now that we finished with all the work we needed to do with the programs, let's go to the laser machine. First of all, we need to turn on the water chiller, then we go and turn on the high voltage block BVN model. Then we turn on these switches. If the middle one isn't turning red, turn on the key. Now you can see that the laser is working. Also, you need to turn on the hood. Now let's go and turn on our laser machine so it can start cutting our trinket. And voila! The laser machine is now cutting our trinket. Good job! We did the trinket, and this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.